This channel has 48.5 thousand subscribers with only 13 videos, and one of them hit 38 million views. I'm going to show you exactly how they did it. AI Animal POV videos are one of the fastest growing niches on YouTube right now, and most creators haven't even noticed yet. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact tools and steps to make them yourself. No experience needed. Let's get into it. First, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs. Search for Animal POV prompt generator and choose this one. Hit Start Chat. Then click to start the generator. As you can see, it's going to give you a list of 10 different animals to choose from. Just type the number of the one you want. I'm going with number 1 for this example. Next, it'll ask how many video prompts you want. I'm choosing 3, but you can go up to 20 if you're making long-form content. It'll now generate 1 image prompt for the first frame and 3 video prompts. Once it's loaded, copy the image prompt and either scroll up to click the OpenArt link or use the link in my description. Inside OpenArt, this is what you'll see. Go to Image, then Create Image. Select Nano Banana 2 as your model. Then paste your prompt into the prompt box. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, resolution to 2K. Choose how many images you want, and hit Generate. This is what yours should look like. Pick the image you like most, and click Image to Video. Select Kling 3.0 as your model. Head back to ChatGPT. Copy video prompt 1 and paste it into the prompt box. Turn the audio toggle on. Set the output to 8 seconds and 1080p, then hit Generate. This is what my video looks like. If you're happy with the output, click Grab a Frame. Wait for the full video to load, then drag it to the very last frame of the video and click Image to Video. Choose Kling 3.0 again as the video model. Copy video prompt 2. Paste it into the prompt box and make sure to keep your settings the same, and hit Generate again. Just repeat this for your remaining clips. Grab the last frame, paste the next prompt, same settings, generate. Once they're all done, go ahead and download every clip. Add all your clips into your editing software. When you play the video, you'll notice the cuts look a bit off. Here's a quick and easy fix. Go to the end of each clip, tap your back arrow 5 times to go back 5 frames, and cut the clip there. Do that for every single clip, and it should be smooth like this. And that's it. Your AI Animal POV video is done. It should look something like this. All the tools I used are linked in the description. If this was helpful, hit subscribe. I've got more tutorials like these coming.